In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively indent text in your Canva project. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media graphic, or any creative project within Canva, knowing how to format your text correctly can make a huge difference in the overall layout and professional appearance of your design. Proper text indentation not only enhances readability, but it also contributes significantly to the aesthetic balance of your entire project. It might seem like a small detail, but often it's these small details that come together to form the foundation of a polished, well-structured design. So let's dive right into the simple steps that will help you achieve the perfect indent in your text box. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to your Canva project. This is where all your creativity comes to life. Whether you've been working on an ongoing project or you've just started a new one, ensure you have your design and relevant text placed within the canvas. Once you're in your project, the next step is to locate and select the text box that you want to modify. This is the section where you'll be applying the indent feature, so focus on the specific text block you want to work with. When you have your text box selected, directing your attention to the very beginning of your text is crucial. Position your cursor right at the first letter, but on the blank space in front of it. You'll notice a subtle blinking cursor indicating that you're in the correct position. This is where the magic happens. With your cursor in place, all you need to do is hold down the space key on your keyboard. This will allow you to seamlessly create an indentation as wide or as narrow as you prefer, transforming your text into a neatly formatted work of art. It's a straightforward yet powerful technique that enables more control over the visual hierarchy of your text. And just like that, you're done. Your text is now perfectly indented, ready to make an impression. Remember, design is all about attention to detail. Mastering such tiny adjustments can greatly impact the reception and effectiveness of your designs. Practice this technique across different text elements within your projects to see how varying indentation styles can alter the overall layout. I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Canva design skills. With this new knowledge, you're more equipped to create visually appealing and well-organized text layouts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more content for further tips and tricks on making the most out of your Canva projects. Happy designing!